Yo, 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 testing, testing, testing. Let me see if this stream's working all right. I'm hearing my mouse, but can I hear my voice? It's pretty delayed. Yo, 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 testing, testing, testing. All right, cool, we're good, we're good, we're good. All right, check it. New York session. Let's get it. So, yeah, that's a better view. All right. So we're currently within an hourly range. This is the top. This is the bottom. Let's go down the time frame. So we're currently within the middle of the range. 12 minutes. As of what's currently going on, we're maintaining lows, which is broken above previous highs. So definitely in the 1 minute where we've been trending up. That's probably like New York times. What's this? 13. So you see volatility picking up here. You see a failure to close above this high. You can go for this low, which makes sense since we are at the top of the range. So I'll be looking for this to be taken out. I want to make any decisions above here really. Let's see. We have a little area down here. Possible rejection. So this essentially being the origin of the move. That's unmitigated just below it, serving as the S&D responsible for the break too. So this is a potential setup. However, on the 1 minute, we do see a body closure here. We already see that we tap into the 70 of the zone. We already see that we tap into the, am I jumping too far? So, boom, boom, boom. So we already see that we tap into the origin of the move here. Barely. Okay. We didn't tap into the 50%, but we haven't, slightly mitigated the origin of the move on the 1 minute. So this is what 1 minute order flow looks like. If I had to put any positions on, I would look for let's see, we got a body closure up here, so we can probably see some movement up into this range. Look for that, it's possible. We tap into the imbalance. First imbalance usually puts in a new low, so that's also a possibility. I'll mark that out too. I'll be real. This right here is a riskier entry, but the fact is, this is a bullish environment. The only thing is though, this bullish environment is sitting right at the top of the range. Right. You can see a huge thing. So I'm gonna just stay on the conservative side and I'll wait for this low to be run, unless I see that the setup is just in my face. It's just in my face and it's like, yo, that is right there. Because we see this huge dump and we know that the first people that get in is usually what? Toilet paper people. Let's check the fives. Let's check the five. This origin of the move did achieve, not achieve, but it did put in a new high. Let's see what goes on here. I still need to see my 1 minute confirmation first though, because price is just currently dumping, so I'm waiting for the first flip here. I'll wait for that. Pay attention to candlestick structure here. Okay. For these lows to be right now. The fuck? I can't move this? Body closure, by the way. I'm not looking for a wick. Has to be a body closure. Targeting this high up there. What does that look like on here? Look, slight, but this high here is not part of structure, so that's a target. Boom. But the 5 seconds isn't giving me no confirmation yet to get in, which is cool. I do ultimately see it, my go-to setup being inside the zone here. I think I just knocked out the zone. I'm gonna just do this real quick. Like I said, I need a body closure. Okay, we end up taking out this low too. So we had our first one here. Ooh. Boom.
Order filled.
Ooh, I'm gonna get my 5 points, please.
Order filled.
Thank you. Damn. I don't know why live is so laggy like that. I saw my 5 points, but who cares? Profit, right? It took me out here. But why is Ninja so laggy like that? Because when I usually trade with my like this is my live account on Ninja Trader, but when I usually trade with Apex and stuff, it's not laggy at all. At all. Like I'm talking latency here. But I literally just hopped on and I already made, some profit. My goal for the day is 10 points, So I'm gonna just wait. But I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful. So we didn't tap into this zone, which is cool. So this means that this origin of the move is still intact. We end up, target reached. So yeah, I only ended up taking like 3 points when as soon as I seen price take out this high, I click close and yeah, I'll have to sort that out. There must be a reason that I just don't know. There must be a solution to that. But regardless, like I said, I'm grateful. Money's money. Um, so now what is my next setup? Um, so I'm really looking for these lows to be honest. Like I said, the same thing that happened there. You know how I was waiting for a body closure. I want to wait for that low to get run out. It's the same thing here. The wick below isn't enough for me. Of course, to take like in this scenario, yes, it was because we had a large move. But now I want to see a body closure because oh yes, perfect. Check this. That's the first flip, right? Now I just want to see price close below this low, and then do its thing. Well, yeah. Oh shit. That was a good. I'm only like what? Like how many minutes here? 14 minutes in. Uh, I've already made a couple points. That's, that's nice. I also, like I told you guys, how's my schedule? My schedule is literally a chill price from um, a chill price in Asia, a chill price in London, and then when it's New York, oh yeah, boy, I trade price. You feel me? So I really recommend you do that. And you slap in back testing too, which is I can't lie, you should be doing that as a prerequisite before you even step into the live market. And you watch DTFX. Like you'll get this shit in no time. Like you do all those things. So you trail price live, you back test, you forward test. So you simulate trades. Like if you go to the live stream I just did in London, you'll see that I was trading price and I was forward testing by just placing some simulated trades. And you watch DTFX videos. So you watch the free playlist on his YouTube channel. Those are four things, right? So trail price, forward test, back test, watch DTFX. You do those four things. You create a routine around those things. Trust me, you'll get this shit in no time. So yeah, see this? The first imbalance puts in a new low. Now we're heading back into this range, but are you shorting from here? No. Why? Because you're at the bottom of the range. It's not an area you want to short. If you want to short from anywhere, I can't lie, it's a bit techy. Because look, initially you'd want to wait for a high to be taken, right? Cool. But what does this also tell you when this high is taken? A body closure above. It means what? Oh, wait, I may be jumping the gun. Yeah, I'm jumping the gun. Let me not chat shit. I ain't trading price. I'm trading, so I'm not even gonna entertain those decisions there. I'm just gonna wait for myself. I don't even short in the first place. I'm still working on that. I'm waiting for this right here. You've already been fulfilled. You've already been mitigated. Now I just want to see you here. I just want to check something. My entry was here, right? Okay, cool. So in this case, hmm. Anyway, um, let's go back. Yeah, I don't. I've been trying to, incorporate a new habit. Like, if there's nothing for me to look at on the 5 second, I make this blank here because it do throw me off at times, and then I concentrate my energy to analyze the um, on 1 minute order flow. So right now, we're in between. So we got one. Let me make this more clear. Got two there. You guys see the tap into this and be responsible there. Just noting where price is reacting from right now. Ahmed, well, go on, bro. What's good, boy? Started DTFX 1 month ago. Oh shit! All right. And how's it going for you, bro? I know you ain't ever going back to nothing else. I know that for sure. I know that's me right now. Like DTFX is like the epitome of like it's the most accurate shit that's in the industry right now. How you find it? I started trading DTFX. When was it? Fucking like literally I'd say the middle of September. I remember, yeah, middle of September last year, 2023. So it's been about, yo, man's gonna have to do calculations in my head. So September is the ninth month, right? So that's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So this is literally, yeah, I've been basically trading it 6 months now. Yeah. Damn, 6 months? Damn, that don't even seem that long. Oh. But yeah, 6 months. When breakup becomes consistent. What? Why? 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 Do you know the reasons why? Your break even you can't become consistent because literally, if you watch DTFX, Dave breaks it all down for real. Breaks it all down. As for the reasons why you lose versus why you win, like right here, right now, in this market, right now that you're seeing here, like show me where your entry is. Like, where would you enter right here, right now? I know this may be confusing for you, so I'm gonna just I'll get rid of this. That don't really matter. And here we just count our swings. So as you can see, we already got 1, 2, 3 swings here on the 5 second. So if we put in another high up here, we have our fourth, and then we could potentially see a reversal at the S&D responsible for the break. But regardless of what I see, we just trail price because like I only long. Well, when I'm live trading anyway, I only long. So all this information here really doesn't matter for me. It really don't. The only thing that I care about is for this low to be taken. We tap into a zone below. I see my confirmation on the 5 second, and that's all I care about. But I just do this shit to learn, just so that my mind is not idle. You know. Yeah, in 6 months, profitable. Like even I'm surprised for real. Like, but it did require me to oh bro, like all nighters. Like you have to put heavy time into this. And it's heavy time into back testing. That's where your energy needs to go into. It's back testing each concept individually and mastering one at each time. You master one, you move on to the next, and you apply it whilst you're applying the one you're applying next. Yeah, like trust me, that it's yeah, bro. I appreciate that for real. But trust me, yo, you're doing this for 1 month, yo. Don't don't ever don't give up on this shit. Don't. Because trust me, like, there's going to be times where you're going to be thinking, bro, fuck all of this shit. This shit ain't even working. Like, yo, there's been plenty of times where, man, I thought I got it right. I thought I got it down packed. I thought, like, yeah, yo, what? I got DTFX pattern. I've got this. And then all of a sudden, it's like I lose memory of all the shit that I learned. And I start losing, 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 losing. So I'd be on a mad winning streak because I learned one concept and I mastered it. But then obviously looking back on it now, I was applying it in a mechanical way. You feel me? So when you start winning, so I was winning, 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 winning when I was applying each concept mechanically. But whenever I had my losing streaks, that's when I had to learn how to apply those concepts in my trading with discretion, right? And discretion, narrative, it's that is what really makes that's what makes you profitable. That is narrative. Everything else, structure, zones, candlestick flips, those are all like mechanical. It's the narrative that makes you profitable, honestly. So we get a flip, boom, 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 boom. This could be a high time frame, but like I don't know. I don't care, man. I just want this lot to be taken seriously. But Ahmed, how long you been trading for? And have were you trading other types of disciplines such as ICT or smart money or the other retail shit? Like how long you been trading for? Let me check the 5 second, because I'm getting bored of this 1 minute. I might even check the 1 second soon. So we have one, two. Okay, we had a failure to close here. Da, 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 da. We're currently within this 1 second range here. I'm going to 1 second. Okay, cool. I'll call that zoom out. What's it? You trade continuation of the reversal, like video for. I trade. It would be the. I only trade the. I trade both. I trade both. But it's more of a thing where essentially my entry is the reversal. But depending on of course check if you check the trend right now, we're downtrended, right? We got our oh shit. Anyway, we got our high, low, high, low, low, lower high, low, low, lower high, low, low, lower high, low, low. And we have a lower high just put in from this closure down here. So when we're trending down, it's really just a thing where I'm trading the pullback into the range. Trading the pullback into the range. So yeah, I'm trading the reversal. If it was a continuation, then I'd be short, but I don't short. But even when we're trending, let me put this on inverted. So even when we're trending up like this, right? If we're trending up, I would still be in a continuation. Let's say we have this S&D responsible here. Does it show? Are these two connected? Oh, that's so dope. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Yeah, so but essentially I'm still looking for the reversal here because I'd look for a low to be taken and then I'd look for my flip. So essentially, I trade the reversal in my zone. To answer your question. And I'm from the UK, by the way, from London. How about you? Oh, 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 look at me. Look at me. Look at this. All right, cool. So we're in the zone. See a drop below. 1 or 2 years. Holy shit. What were you trading before? Yeah, what? So if you started DTFX a month ago, then what were you doing before? No closure? From last 6 months, I took it serious. I feel you. I feel you. Gee, I'm turning 22 in literally less than a month, bro. I'm 21 years old right now, and yeah, I've dabbled and dabbled in trading. Like I'll be real, like, but I never took it serious until 6 months ago. Like I literally said, yo, fuck all of the other shit that I'm doing. I remember like the middle of September, I just said fuck everything, and I just put 100% of my energy to trading, and yeah, panned out. But trust me, bro, we're literally the same age. I'm turning what's it called, 22 on the 14th of April. So, bro, I encourage you, yo, go hard, go 100%. Got that one flip there. We barely tapped the 50. I want to see this low get ran and then see another flip from here. So you trade Dave's reversal pattern. I mean, yeah, I trade Dave's system. Curella? Where's Curella? I'm gonna Google search that. I never heard of a country called Curella. Search Google, Curella. Ooh, oh, India. Oh, right. Damn, damn. That looks tropical as fuck. Damn. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, that's what Corella's like? Hmm. Only Forex. Till you trade only Forex. I suggest you hop on futures, bro. Because the only reason I suggest that is because Dave's system is so accurate and precise. Forex doesn't do it justice. The spreads, you can trade it if you wanna, if you trade the higher time frames. So let's say you're entering on the 1 minute as your entry confirmation, then yeah, cool, use Forex. But if you want to utilize the 5 seconds, if you want to scalp like how I'm scalping right now, then yeah, you just want to move on to futures, bro. Because if you try using the 5 second on Forex, the spreads will just it won't do you justice. I'll be real. Like I remember I was trading Forex around like well, I moved to futures around December. I remember like Christmas, yeah, Christmas last year. That's when I said, yo, forget Forex, forget MetaTrader. I'm gonna just move on to Ninja Trader. Ain't never look back. Ain't ever look back. Because I remember, yo, on Nasdaq, so I was my broker was IC Markets. Nasdaq was literally it was either like a 1 to 2 point spread, just entering in one position. 1 to 2 points? That's insane. Insane. And I was trading the 5 second as well. I wasn't entering on the 1 minute. I used to, but then I went down in the time frame. But we see ourselves as a country. Wow. Yo, this boy just unlocked a new location in the map, bro. Like I never heard of Kerala before. Serious. Serious. I didn't even know that what. So Kerala is a state in India. We see ourselves as a country. That right there, I never knew about. I never knew about that shit. It's called God on Country. God damn. Now, that's a title. Now that right there is a title. So Price came into the origin of the move to the left, right? I was looking for yeah, we saw the first flip here. I was looking for a run here, but oh well, toilet paper people are winning right now, right? Look at that V-shaped recovery. They have their days. But essentially, I'm waiting for the same thing. I'm gonna wait for this low to be taken. We're still in a downtrend. Ain't nothing telling me that we can, we're switching bullish. We have to trade up above this protected high up here for us to assume that. And it seems as though we got a body closure, but on the 12 minute, this is still a wick. Hold on. Pardon me. But I'm from India, so how will I trade futures? My brother, you got Google, bro. I'll be real. I don't know. I don't know, G. That's something you're just gonna have to Google. I'm sure there's a futures prop firm, not prop firm, but there's a futures broker for your country, for your state. That obviously I'm from the UK, like, I'm from London, so I can't help you there. For real. But you got Google. Just do some research on that. I do recommend Ninja Trader though. That's what I use. That's the broker that I use, Ninja Trader. Uh, now, do I know if Ninja Trader is accessible for in what was it called again? Kerala? I don't know. I really don't know. But that's the broker I use. You can. I know there's a broker called AMP Futures as well. I know that there's Trade of It, but that's trash. I'll be real. I don't recommend that. Um, but you can also, aside from having like trading your own personal funds like I'm doing now, you can just use Apex Trader funding now as to whether they're available in your country. I don't know like their terms and conditions like that. You feel me? Like I said, just Google that shit. I'm sure you'll find a solution there. But bro, yeah, look at me stumbling my words and shit. I asked you, why are you actually struggling with? You said that you're break even and you can't become consistent. So like, what is it that you're actually struggling with? You had a body closure above this high. Hold on. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna keep that there. Nah, that's irrelevant to me now. I'm not even gonna lie. I want to still see two flips here. I'll get rid of. I'll just put you there for context. Oh, look at this. We hit the S&D responsible for the break here. See this major shift off? That's cool. But no country, but Kerala is the best state in India, and we compare our state to other European countries because our top everything's in Kerala. Funny thing is, we are so proud to say Kerala than India. Damn. Nah, I wish I could. I wish I could say I'm proud to be from the UK. Yo, I can't say that shit. That's dope though, for real. That's dope, man. That's dope. I'm definitely thinking about traveling, you know. The first place I want to step to is Japan. No lie. That's probably the first place I will step to. Like, yo, what? The first holiday, me on my ones, or maybe with a couple bridges and shit. But I don't know. Today is profit, tomorrow is loss, like that. Nah, bro. There's a reason. There's a reason for everything, bro. Like the decisions that you're making to actually enter in a trade, like the reason why you win, keep doing that. There's a reason for why you lose as well. Do less of that. In fact, don't do it at all. Right? Don't do it at all, bro. So, what you're telling me is that you don't really record your trades. So, for one, you need to record the trades that you're taking, or at least be conscious of your thought process when you're actually trading, you're making these decisions. Because then you'll actually know where your mistakes lie. So, do we get a closer? No, okay. I want to see a close about that. Let me just focus on this. All right, cool. I'm gonna look for this low to be taken here. I got my 1 minute confirmation here too, but I'd much rather wait. I'm in a prop firm challenge for 3 months. I didn't lose and I didn't win. That's why I said break even. I feel you. Actually, yeah. Which prop firm is your challenge on? Are you studying the free masterclass on his YouTube? You should be on that every day. Watch that at least 10 times. At the very least 10 times. Depends on this closure here. So we have this high that's not part of structure. We can potentially target this here. So what's your club? I'm a regular EPL watcher. Bro, I don't even watch football like that. I've never been a football fan, I'll be real. Like, of course, when I was a child, growing up, yeah, cool. Manchester United, Cristiano Ronaldo. And then when he left Manchester United, cool, it was Real Madrid. You feel me? Like, shit like that. But, bro, I really don't give a fuck about football like that. Especially now that I'm trading. Like, bro, I'm telling you, everything, my whole focus is on trading right now. Like, literally, my source of entertainment is literally either DTFX or literally my own personal growth. Like that's what it is right now. I don't really entertain much else. Funding pips. Oh, funding pips is cold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Funding pips. I did a challenge for them, failed it, but they're cool. I definitely recommend them, especially for forex. So yeah, we end up taking up that high. Not anxious for me. That's cool. We're still downtrending. I'm pretty sure we're on like fourth swing or some shit right now. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold up a second. Price has just been. Wait, so, yeah, yeah, we could see a potential reversal, but you gotta understand though, we haven't had our first break just yet. So the fourth, uh, the first break here. So 4 to 6 swings we do reverse, right? But we haven't had our first break just yet. So that first break here is usually fake, and then we can come back down to this low and then reset, and then we could be looking for another 4 to 6 swings to then whatever, whatever, whatever. It just depends on what's going on right now. Simply because look, it also followed the 12-minute narrative too. What failure to take out the high. That narrative was fulfilled here, right? This low was responsible for wait, boom, boom, yeah, yeah, there we go. This is the low responsible for that high. This low was uh this low failed to take that high and we took that. So did we take this? Oh, 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 like look at that is crazy. Crazy. Yeah, don't mind my drawing. This is rough in it, but right there. Okay. Football club. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. I don't support no football team or something like that. Like, I don't care. I haven't watched the football game. Like, what? A football game? A whole 90 minutes of my time towards a football game? Watching what? 20 something players just kick up? Bro, what? No. Nah, bro. Nah. I ain't. I don't watch football, bro. 50%? What do you mean 50%? So you see the S&D responsible, first tap break structure. When that happens, you usually see a double top, equal highs for a longer move. So we have the first leg here happen already. Let's see if it makes a second or we just break above. Who knows? Because we do understand the narrative, right? This narrative here is weaker than what's actually going on right here. Plus this whole things at the bottom of the range. So do we expect this to hold? Nah. If you like it, touch the 50%. If you're talking about this origin here from the left, then yeah, we did touch the 50% of this zone here. That's what this is for, the 50 and the 70 here. We've also been mitigating this area multiple times. I'll show you real quick. Bow, bow. Oh, bow. Mhm. This is the area I'm talking about. Yeah, there we go. There. I'll make this purple. So you know this area finna be manipulated, right? You'll see it trade up above it and then trade back within the range. Which range? This range. So if you want to short, you want to be shorting until after this area has been liquidated. No, that's my arrow is over there. Uh, I guess you want to pay attention to this. Probably see another bounce here. Mm, top-down analysis. I did do at the beginning of the stream. Fuck it. Let's just do it again then. Alright, cool. Okay, cool. Top-down analysis, right? So this is the top-down that I currently have right now. Ain't nothing much really changed. So this is the daily. We have a high time frame zone here. This is the higher time frame zone, the 50%. And then we also have the origin of the move here. The last down will be responsible for sending price up, right? We just took that out. Now we can probably see a move back down here. Or we could probably tap into the zone here first and then see a move back down. But back to the top down analysis. Uh, we go down to the hourly chart, and then what do we see? So we didn't tap in. So let's just do our structure. Let's just point out structure first, right? So we see our high, low, violation of our high. We put in another low. This low here fails. Okay, cool. Let me just do this. Boom, 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 boom. This low fails to take out this high, to close above this high, meaning what? This low is weak, and we eventually get a body closure below it. And I'll just like to point out too, as soon as you see a weak high put in that fails to close below a low, and a weak low put in that fails to close above a high, know that you're in a range. So that's literally what we were doing for like a couple of days in this box until we had a body closure here, right? Cool. But that's in the past. So we see the body closure here, and what usually happens after we close below a higher time frame low or high, you usually see a high time frame pullback, which is what you see right here. So we get that body closure, and then you see the high time frame pullback. This is happening on the hourly, by the way, right? So that's that. So we drop down to the 12 minute. What do we currently see? So this high time frame pullback was let's check. We got boom, boom. is a move back into the hourly range right here. You see, we just tapped the 50. We also took out highs too. So no wonder you start, no wonder you start to see price reject and actually see some bearish movement from here. We've been going up since Asia. I think Asia was like over here. All we've been doing was trending up. But as soon as we took out highs, or we tapped into the 50% of the high time frame zone, you start to see some bearish movement. Now, whether if this is going to go all the way and take out the lows, I don't know. I don't care because it's a 12-minute. But these are just areas where you could anticipate volatility in your direction in the trade that you want to take, right? So knowing this, we go down to the 1 minute. So when I saw this, I knew that okay, cool. We was at the top of the range. I didn't even have this zone here considered. Like it's really not needed. I'll be real. So on the 1 minute now, when we look at the order flow is delivering to the 12-minute, right? We see price break above a previous high. Now we know that anything really above this area is the top of the range. I was waiting for price to either trade to the origin of the move or take this low and see a move back into the previous range. In the beginning of the stream, you would have seen I took an entry. Where was it? Oh, that was some demo trades there, but the actual let me see. The actual entry that I did take was over here. So what did I wait for? This right here was the origin of the move. Hold on, right there, right? This was the origin of the move. We traded below a low, and then we see a manipulation inside the zone. That manipulation is literally just a flip on a lower time frame. We see that we wicked below it here, but we failed to close below it, meaning that this zone is still valid until it gets a body closure, but we didn't see it, right? So what I looked for in this entry, so this is the part where I'm showing you what I look for, right? Is I want to see a flip when price gets into a zone after taking a higher time frame low from a 5 second perspective. But I like saying higher time frame and lower time frame and not the actual time frame because it just shows you, not shows you, but it addresses the fractal nature. So you can apply it to any time frame that you want, but just know that from this perspective, it's a higher time frame low. We tap into a higher time frame zone, right? And then what do you want to see on your lower time frame? I want to see a candlestick flip, which is usually people that chase price, the first people in the up move after what? After price has just been dumping. They've caused it toilet paper people. Not gonna lie, that's a mouthful for me. I just like to say, refer to them as people that chase price because that's what they essentially are, right? So I like to see that, and then I like to see people that chase price. I want to see them get stopped out, and it has to be a body closure here. So we see that body closure, and then essentially I want to see the second flip happen now, which happened right there. Did it? Let me see. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, yeah, it happened right there. And then I saw price just land here. I think. Wait a second. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, okay, no, no, yeah, it was a close above this high here. Yeah, and then we tap into the S&D responsible. Yeah. So, and then that was my entry. I closed out here. I saw 5 points, but Ninja Trader, the latency was kind of shit, so it closed me in that. So from 9-1 to 9-4. So that was what, like 3.25. But as you can see, this is where I closed. but Clyde's clearly went up above it. So that's essentially what I look for. How many entries you take per day on average? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is enough for me. I'll be real. Uh, my daily goal is to get my daily goal is just to get 10 points and I'm out for real. That's it, and I'm cool for the day. 10 points. So right now I've got like 3 points something. I'll probably take like probably 2 more trades and then I'll be done. You know. So as you can see, look, check it. We tapped into the S&D responsible, and we see a move back into the previous range, as I was saying, right? We see the area that's been mitigated multiple times. We see that get violated, and we move back into the range. What range? This range here. So that was a nice play. Uh, but on the 1 minute, we still fail to take out the protected high. Meaning what? There's there's no confirmation to say that we're actually bullish. How much risk per trade? I just risk. So right now, as you can see, hold on. So I trade MNQ. This is the live account, and then I only trade one contract. So that's literally, damn. What is it per tick? I think that's $2 per tick. That would make sense because 5 points is $10. Yeah, $2 per tick. No, $2 per point. My bad. Yeah, I think per point is $2. What? Let me check it. I don't know what the fuck. What is it actually? Let me actually just say some accurate information because I don't really actually know it off the back of my mind. I just know I want 5 points. People, that's all I care about. I just want to see 5 points, and yeah, I'm cool. I'm out. But let me just actually micro futures, E micro E mini Nasdaq. So okay, cool. Okay, yeah, the point value is $2. Yeah, so each point is $2. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I do. But look, check this out. If you watch video 9 on the free masterclass, right? This is a perfect example of it. You see a body closure below a high time frame low, and then you see a double bottom below it. So, whenever we get a body closure above or below a protected high or low, then that's new order flow right there. You remove a bunch of shit, and then when you usually see a double bottom like this, you usually see a move back into the previous range. But I shouldn't really be explaining this shit. Dave can teach it better than me, so I recommend that you just watch video 9 when it comes to this exact scenario that price does literally every single day. Like this is happening on the 1 minute, but this also happens on the 5 second, the 1 second, you know, happens all the time. I'm gonna remove this. This serves no purpose. This serves no purpose. This serves no purpose. And I'll get rid of you, 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 you. Actually, no, that's my swings. Yeah, I'll just boom. So look how price starts to consolidate at which swing is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth swing. So hopefully, Ahmed, that gave you more insight into what I look for and the top down analysis for the day. I'll just yeah, I like to keep it like that. I got a lot of shit on my charts though. What was that? Mm, yeah, nothing much is going on right now. We're literally ranging between this down move here and this. Is that an SME responsible? Um, yeah, it seems to be holding. So right now we're within a range currently. Um, yeah. So this is where I go to the one second. So when we're in a range, when price is just doing some BS like this, you don't look to trade in these environments if you don't know how to trade it. And right now, I don't know how to trade this. So how would I usually respond to these type of environments here? I'll wait for price to either get above or below it. So I'd literally just be stuck. Oh, look at that. Obviously not that there, but I'd wait for it to break out in either direction before I make a decision to put my money on type shit. So, all right, bro. Yo, take care. Enjoy your food as well. Come on, and yeah, man. I recommend that lock into that playlist, yo. Lock into it. Take care, bro. Hmm. Yeah, there's no reason to be looking at the 5 second right now. I'm gonna just delete that. I don't care about that no more. I really just care about this low being taken. Anything to the left that I could be using? We have this little area here. One thing for sure, we've been mitigating the zone multiple times. So definitely we can see a trade below it. Not only that, we've been mitigating. Hold on. Hold on. Boom. So it traded up, didn't do shit, went up, didn't do shit, went up, did some shit. I'll use the last down candle here. But this is the origin of this move here that sent price up. But I'm just going to use the down candle for accuracy's sake. So if I'm going to be looking for a long, then it would be below this low here. That, yeah, that's going to be that, yeah. And I'd look for a move down here. That's if we continue lower. However, the 12-minute is looking, it's saying otherwise. We've had not one, two, three failures to close below this low, which means what? This high here is up here, it's vulnerable. We could see that get taken up, but I'm prepared. You feel me? I'm prepared when price goes below or it goes above. I'm prepared. Now we just wait. Oh, Lord. Uh, we didn't tap into the 50% of this zone here, of this down candle at least. I'm looking for something like that here. So we'll probably see a huge, yeah, we're seeing a huge dump back into the origin of the move. If we get a body closure above here, then that would show us that price is looking to look for this high up here, as it would have been responsible for this move here, and then this inside high would be responsible for the weak low here. But let's see what's going on though. That's I don't see that, so but it's a possibility. Yeah, I'm looking for a move. And yet, to pray for a king. Any bird with a drop on my arm. Never gonna say a word. Time go be up, be down, go be down. I'm sure. Yeah, let me actually search it up right now. When I stay in the city, I go to church. Saturday, go paying for the chicken on the body cut. Smoke an ounce in 60 minutes. Used to pray for a keep. Yeah, still looking for this to get down here. I'm gonna look at the 5 second now. Let's see what I want. How many swings are we on? We have 1, 2, 3. Is that 4? That's 4. Okay. Ooh, this is it's looking juicy. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. Look at the impulsive me. Ah, look at the impulsive me. Oh my god. Oh, look. Look at where my look at where my mouse is. It was already ready to click buy. We didn't take no lows yet, bro. Yeah, man. Take your lows first. Take your lows first. Ah, yeah, man. I'm still dealing with it. I'm still dealing with it. Like I said, like I can see my entry. This is why I don't look at the 5 second. Jeez. That's why I told yo, that's why I'm making it a rule. Like, yo, I'm not looking at the 5 second until, you know, the what I want to see on the 1 minute is, it's there. because I see my setup everywhere. Like when it comes to seeing my setup, oh boy, I see it. I take it. But there's prerequisites that need to be put into place first, right? This is not exactly the best location to be doing it. In fact, this is where I lose most often. No confirmations in a downtrend, right? No confirmations in a downtrend. So yeah, like I said, I'm waiting for this low to be taken. Okay, they gave you a move up. That's cool. But that this is still I don't care. I don't care. This is an area where I lose most often than not. It just worked out this time. Because look, check it. We've been downtrending this whole time, right? Okay, that's the top of the range, so that's not kind of fair. But let's say we're at the bottom of the range here, right? Oh look, we have a zone here. Boom, clapped. We have a zone here. Boom, clapped. We have a zone here. Boom, clapped. Like it's not the one. It's not the place. It's not the place you want to be, making decisions. So yeah, I can't lie. I'm probably gonna take one more trade and I'm gone. I'm gone. I've been on the charts literally all day. Asia, London, New York. I've already made money today, so I can just call it off right now, and that's how I literally feel like at this very moment. Cause ugh, tired of waiting. I'm already content with what I'm ready to do. So like I know I said my goal was 10 points, but bro, like I'm just getting tired of waiting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits because that impulse of me wanting to buy right there was like just the first sign that yo, like, uh, my patience is running out. So you know what? I will call it a day. I will just call it a day. Guys, um, I'll see you guys tomorrow. In fact, no, I'll see you guys today. Um, Asia session. So what? 10 p.m. GMT. I'll be trading price. Who the? Yeah, fuck it. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll be trading price Asia. I'll be trading price London tomorrow, and yeah, I'll be trading New York just like I am now. So um, yeah, peace, bro. Don't blow your account. Watch the free playlist. It's in the description below. And yeah, man, stay blessed, man.